Hello again. Yesterday I was planning to do, like the clear up of my wardrobe, but I didn't in the end do anything like that. So today I thought it's a good day. It's very gloomy outside, so I have like the roof lighting, but I want to take all the clothes that I have in the wardrobe on the bed. I have some here and I need to, bring more and categorize what I want to still keep in my wardrobe and what I need to pack and have in suitcases for next summer. So I will bring also all the winter clothes that I have also over here, and we will do like clear out, selecting. And I think some of the things I would like also to how can I say, to give away, because many of the things I haven't used them like for a while. So let's see how it will go, but I will put you on like a fast forward, I think, because it will be very boring just talking about all the items that like I will have here. And if I find something that I think that it's worth mentioning, then I'll be here telling you about it. So let's go. Oh my god, I only have one, it's this one, like one, what do you say, wardrobe, one opening. And you wouldn't imagine that I could fit all this amount of clothes, but I think it is time actually to do like the real clear out. So I will have two piles, and I think I will have three piles. One pile will be the one that I keep. I have to, actually 4 piles, yeah, 4 piles indeed. One I keep, one I need to store because it's like summer clothes, one that I'm not sure, and the other one that I need to, give away. Wow, I am shiny. The full room is covered with clothes, but here, let me show. So here is a pile that I need to put like to the storage, a pile that I am not sure, and a pile that I need to give things, and then on top is like things that I keep for winter time. And at the same time I need to check my jeans if I can I can sort them out as well. So let's go do that now. And I think one last thing that I will do before actually like clearing things out is to put all the hangers inside the wardrobe, because I know these are things for sure I'm keeping. So the first, actually, I will put everything that I know that I will keep in the wardrobe, in the closet, and then the rest I will start working them out, if it does make sense. So yes. And also I am listening actually like relaxing music, because it is a quite boring and not really thinking process of clearing out my wardrobe. So I'm thinking, no, I'm listening something that it will kind of motivates me to process other things in my head that I have at the moment. So it kind of, I'm trying to use this time more productively and try to work things out internally and externally, as you can see. So I'm having just some relaxing meditation music, and yeah, it's, even though like maybe on the fast forward it looks quite like a fast process, actually it takes quite some time to categorize everything, take everything out, like put everything in. I am not like looking forward for this part, but yeah, like this is some things that we need to do in order to feel better. Like I had some things that I haven't worn for a really long time, and I wasn't planning to wear them. So I think it's a great opportunity now that I have a little bit more time to use it into my advantage. So this is what we do actually. As you can see at the moment, I have organized things a little bit by color and by usage. So for example, over there I do have all my black dresses, and I have kind of organized them based on, you know, if it's like a casual dress like for everyday office, or a little bit of more of a date night dress. So I have like on the right the most casual things like my hoodies, like things that I can use at work, I can wear at work, and then things that I can have on a date night. And then I'm going to more like, let's say, colorful things because I don't have much color, and then it's more like my white shirt and my blue shirt, and I will start filling also the rest of the space. So I will show you how it will look when it is finished. So here is the almost finished look actually, and it feels so good. There is still space and I need to actually clean some things and add them over here and bring all the clothes that I have in the suitcases downstairs. Like I need to bring them up here and also organize these ones, but I'm very happy with the progress. I think I freed up a lot of space, as you can tell, like everything was packed, and I am very happy. So it's the next day. Sorry for my appearance, it is like very rough to see myself in this state, but it is what it is. I was planning actually to, you know, continue filming and organizing the wardrobe as I showed you, but I will postpone this actually for next week because I need to start packing for a really short trip that I will have like this weekend. It's just on Saturday and Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, so it will be super short, but I thought that, you know, it would make more sense if I do this after this weekend. So I think I will close the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, it was short, it was short and sweet, I want to say, but yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!